there are three statements here that might convey feelings about organic chemistry, and no doubt you've heard from previous organic chemistry students one of these three or many others. What was my feeling? I think for me, it was I needed to get a good grade, but I looked forward to the challenge. So my instructor was the pre-med advisor, and it was thought that this was a great opportunity to impress them and give a better chance of getting into medical school. So that was really my excitement as a student and kind of the statement that conveyed what I felt. As a professor, instructor, for me, it's man, what a great opportunity for another group of new students to come and tackle this difficult subject, working together and hopefully setting each of you or helping each of you continue on that path towards whatever goal you're hoping to achieve. So each semester I kind of have that my feelings about organic chemistry are really that. And those are the feelings that were behind writing the textbook. How can the book be written in a way that will help you achieve your goal? It's not going to achieve it for you. It's going to require big investment of your time into it too. But this is a journey that I'm really excited to be a part of. So those are my feelings now. Wonder what your feelings about the course are at this point.